listen here, you lot. It's Dog Wednesday next door. So apparently they've got the biggest garden. So every Wednesday, all the dogs in the area, they go next door and piss and shit everywhere. So I'm gonna do a woof, right? And we're gonna see how many responses we get. Right, hopefully it's worthwhile. If not, I'll delete it and you will never ever know that I've recorded it. So there you go. Alright, you ready? Right. Fuck all. Another fucking thing. Another fuck all. Nah.
You can't put that one up in here.
I've lost a quid, haven't I?
Yeah. Fucking hell. 5, I said 5.